Your custom cone ads just showed up. They ship flat, and in about a minute, you can take one and turn it into a sleeve that fits right over your cone. We're gonna show you how. So this is what your cone ad's gonna look like when it's all finished. The adhesive sticks to the other side of the cone ad. It does not stick onto the cone. That's what makes it easily removable. You have your adhesive side over here. Your logo is already gonna be printed on there, so there's nothing really to size up. The only thing that you would have is, depending on your cone size and depending where you want the collar, sometimes if your cone was a bit larger, it could be up here. This is a 28-inch cone, so it's gonna go right about here. So when you're sizing it up, all you're really making sure is that you're not gonna have any overlap or have anything peeking out. So right there is essentially where you'd want it. It's got the logo on both sides. From here, you're pretty much ready to go. So from here, you just unpeel the adhesive part, and again, make sure you're only getting the cone ad, and then boom, this should be easily slipped on and off, and look at that. So now you have a finished cone ad. You can slip these on and off. You can reuse these, or you could swap out the sponsors from year to year. You can get yours customized at trafficconesforless.com.